Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about what is Microsoft Windows 95. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. What is Microsoft Windows 95? Microsoft Windows 95 is an operating system released by Microsoft Corporation in August 1995. It was a major milestone in the evolution of Microsoft's Windows operating system, as it introduced several significant features and improvements over its predecessors. Windows 95 had a new user interface compared to its predecessor, Windows 3.1. It introduced the Start button and taskbar, providing a more intuitive way to access programs and manage tasks. It also introduced the concept of the desktop as we know it today, with icons representing files, folders, and shortcuts. One of the most notable features of Windows 95 was its 32-bit architecture, which offered enhanced performance and stability compared to the 16-bit architecture of Windows 3.1. It provides better multitasking capabilities and improved memory management. Windows 95 also introduced support for long file names, which was a departure from the 8.3 file name limitations of the previous versions. It brought significant improvements to plug-and-play technology, making it easier to install and configure hardware devices. Additionally, Windows 95 included built-in support for dial-up networking, allowing users to connect to the internet more easily. It also came with bundled applications such as Internet Explorer version 4.0, Microsoft Mail, and Microsoft Schedule Plus. Windows 95 was a groundbreaking release that achieved widespread popularity and became a significant milestone in personal computing. Its success paved way for the future versions of Windows operating system, shaping the user experience and establishing many features that are still present in modern versions of Windows today. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation on what is Microsoft Windows 95 operating system. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.